Disney already tore down a space mountain. Not a refurb, demolished. 41 years old, gone. And they're spending $461 million on what replaces it. That's Tokyo. And the reason you should care in Florida, the exact same playbook, tear out the old bones, rebuild for the next 50 years, is what the strongest rumors of the year say is coming for the Magic Kingdom's mountain next. Here's what's real, what's rumor, and how to tell the difference. First, the part that's already happened. No rumors here. July 31st, 2024, Tokyo Disneyland closed its Space Mountain forever. It opened with the park in 1983, 41 years of flights. And instead of retracking it, Oriental Land Company, the company that owns and runs Tokyo Disney, made a bigger call. Demolish the whole thing and build a brand new Space Mountain from scratch, about 80 meters from the old site. The budget, roughly 70 billion yen, around $461 million, for one attraction that buys a new mountain, a new ride system, new effects, and a completely redesigned Tomorrowland Plaza around it. Oriental Land says the plaza will express the connection between Earth and the universe. It opens in 2027. The structure is already rising. Construction watchers have been posting photos of the new dome taking shape. So when people ask, would Disney really rebuild a space mountain? They already are. That question is settled. The question is where next? To understand why this matters in Florida, you need to know how old this mountain really is. Magic Kingdom's Space Mountain opened January 15, 1975, barely 3 years after the park itself. Walt Disney had a hand in the concept decades earlier, inspired by the Matterhorn, and he never lived to see it built. The construction numbers are wild. Ground broke in December 1972, and the mountain went up from 72 precast concrete beams, each one 117 feet long, each one weighing 74 tons, rising 183 feet over a 300-foot base. It was one of the first computer-controlled roller coasters ever built, and today it's the oldest operating roller coaster in the entire state of Florida. Disneyland's version followed in 1977, with 6 of the 7 original Mercury astronauts at the ribbon cutting. Glenn, Shepard, Cooper. That's the pedigree we're talking about, but 50 years of vintage coaster engineering catches up with you. Ask anyone who's ridden it lately. It's rough, genuinely jerky. The kind of ride you step off stretching your neck. Now the rumor, and I'm going to be straight with you the whole way. As of filming this, Disney has not confirmed one word of it. That's exactly how I reported it on the site last month, and nothing about that has changed. What follows is rumor, well-sourced rumor, but rumor. Here's the shape of it, from multiple Park Insider outlets reporting the same thing within days of each other. A full retrack of Magic Kingdom's Space Mountain, the same treatment Big Thunder Mountain just got, with the queue and load station reworked as part of the project. The rumored timeline: closure sometime late 2026 or 2027, reopening late 2028, maybe even 2029, 2 years dark minimum. And the tell that made everyone sit up. Fans have been pointing at D23, happening this very month, as where an official announcement could land. When multiple, normally reliable sources report the same shape of rumor at the same time, that's usually smoke from a real fire. But smoke isn't confirmation, and I won't pretend it is. So put the two stories side by side, because Tokyo is the map. Tokyo proves Disney will spend 9 figures on this exact ride when the bones get old enough. It proves they'll take a beloved classic fully offline for years to do it right. And it proves the goal: keep the pitch black, can't see the track thrill, the thing that made you fall in love with it, while replacing the rough 50-year-old engineering under it with modern, smooth track. That photo is kind of the whole story. Tron sitting right next to Space Mountain. One is what coaster engineering looked like in 1975. The other is what it looks like now. The gap between those two rides is what a retrack closes. The real question isn't whether Florida's mountain gets rebuilt. 50-year-old concrete and steel make that a win. The question is whether Disney does it the Tokyo way, and whether they announce it before this video is a week old. Here's where I land, and you can fight me in the comments. Rebuild it. I love that rickety old rattle as much as any purist, but oldest coaster in Florida is a warning label, not just a brag. Tokyo made the right call. The mountain that matters isn't the track, it's the dark, the drop, and the dome. Keep those, and Space Mountain outlives all of us. Or keep the original track and the neck cracks forever. Pick a side, comments. If Disney says anything at D23, I'll have it broken down here within days. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And the full story of what's already confirmed for the parks in 2026 is on the site, linked below.